Only at joinoffermint.com will you receive these upfront bonuses, besides getting the standard OfferMint platform for free.
This new tool just ended creator overwhelm. OfferMint literally builds your offer for you. Name, logo, outline, everything. Let's go.
Perfects your offers and lays out the exact marketing plan you need to launch any product and or service with confidence. Okay? And just by signing up, when you're available to sign up, because it's not ready to sign up yet, you can find that out in my Facebook group. Then you'll be able to get into a free webinar that gives you all of the free information on OfferMint itself. Okay? And you can see that's in about 10 days. Turn any idea into a sellable offer. Instantly transform your raw ideas into a polished, ready-to-sell foundation without the overwhelm or guesswork. And you can map out your entire marketing plan, get a clear step-by-step framework that shows you exactly how to position, promote, and profit from your offers, and then simplify your launch process, eliminate confusion, and save time with a tool that organizes your ideas with a cohesive plan you can execute right away. Okay, and there's a lot of people that are probably going to be interested in this. I don't know exactly if the offer's free or not initially, but I definitely think that OfferMint is a free tool to start with. You want to get in early and quickly, because in that pre-launch, they're going to have a free webinar from the actual owner and person who developed this software. And they're going to give you a free tutorial and free use of the software OfferMint. So it's definitely something that I feel is going to help business owners, coaching services, any type of online entrepreneur that you are, even if it's real estate. It's going to help you with organizing your offers and your specific tools that you give your customers and or leads into your business. So this is a wonderful product that's coming out very, very soon. If you're just seeing this very early, you want to get on this fairly quickly. You can plan your offer in minutes, like OfferMint is definitely promising you. I've seen it firsthand in the demonstration, and it is a platform and a process that are going to help any entrepreneur or any online person in business or any type of services that you're willing to provide. Only at joinoffermint.com will you receive these upfront bonuses, besides getting the standard OfferMint platform for free.